Oh, I found a fuzz.
Talking Bobcat, folks.
Muffin, get away. Muffin, get away from the freaking cat.
Oh my goodness.
And there's a bobcat on a leash.
Meow.
It's a fucking bobcat! It's a fucking bobcat!
Hey, I found this kitty. It's kind of spicy. Is it bite you, kitty?
Come here, kitty. Yes, that's a bobcat. Oh shit, there's the mom. Fuck no.
Really?
Back up, yes.
Casually up here in McCall, Idaho.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
Hey. Nice squeak.